Hello everyone, my name is Albin and today I will presenting my RPA project titled Automated Email Notification for Student Placement Eligibility. This project was built using UiPath Studio to automate sending emails to students based on their CGPA stored in an Excel sheet. In many education institutions, placement coordinators need to manually filter student data and send emails to inform them about their eligibility for placement. This is time consuming and error prone. My automation solves this by reading student records from an Excel file and automatically sending personalized emails to each student based on their CGPA. The project was built using UiPath Studio Community Edition. The main activities used include Excel process scope and reader range for reading the Excel file, for each row in data table for looping through each student, if activity for eligibility check, send SMTP email for sending emails through Gmail. I also installed the following packages like UiPath, Excel activities, mail activities, system activities. I used a Gmail app password to enable secure email sending through SMTP. Let me walk you through the workflow. First, we use Excel process scope and use Excel file to open the student data Excel file. Inside this, the reader range activity stores the entire data into a data table variable called student.dt. Next, we use for each row in data table to loop through every student record. Inside the loop, we check if the CGPA is greater than or equal to 17 using an if activity. If the condition is true, the send SMTP email activity sends an email to inform the student that they are eligible. Otherwise, another SMTP email is sent saying they are not eligible. All emails are sent using Gmail setup SMTP settings with star TLS encryption and port 587. Now let me demonstrate the automation. I will run the bot using a sample Excel file with a few student records. As you can see, the bot reads the file, check each student CGPA and send emails accordingly. Here is the email sent to an eligible student. And here is the one sent to a non-eligible student. The content is personalized and automatically handled. One challenge I faced was getting Gmail to work with SMTP in UiPath. Gmail blocks less secure apps by default, so I used app password from Google security settings. I also had to carefully match the column names into the Excel file to avoid runtime errors like object reference not set to an instance of an object like etc. This project helped me understand how to integrate Excel data, condition-based logic, and email automation using UiPath. It demonstrates how RPA can save time and reduce manual errors in a repetitive task like sending placement eligibility notifications. Thank you for watching.